Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see what's trending on Feedly based on hours. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and organize their Feedly sorting options based on hours. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log onto your Feedly account, and then on the upper left hand corner, you want to click on your name and then click on settings. Next, what you want to do is that you want to click on General, and then from here, you're going to scroll down to where it says Default Sort Option. So you could actually go ahead and sort your Feedly articles based on latest or latest and most popular. So this will actually categorize it based on the most recency as far as the hours go as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sort your Feedly articles based on hours. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.